Welcome back, friends. I know it has been forever since I have been on here, but you guys know life has been lifing. I have my business and I have a lot of things going on, so that's why my time has been very scarce. But nevertheless, we are back and we are back in the kitchen. So come along with me as I clean up my kitchen, as you guys can see how it looked in the beginning, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once we're all done. With it being summer vacation and I have a little kitty, so they cannot go to summer camp, how are you guys keeping your toddlers or your little ones busy this summer? I've been going to libraries and looking up different events and stuff that's going on in my area. And I think that that's pretty fun for the kids, but I'm not really sure. Is there anything else that you guys think would be good for little toddlers during the summer?
Grab your jacket and your shades. We're taking lead from this bleak satin. So we'll be miles away. Oh, down the red sky we'll be melting. Somewhere
So I've been thinking about doing a new project in my house, and I think I want to change out these cabinets and drawers in the kitchen. Let me know what colors you guys think would be really good, or like what colors are in, what colors are out. I'm not really opposed to anything. Maybe like, I don't know, purple, I suppose, or like something dark like black. But I do definitely want to change out my kitchen, so let me know what you guys think I should change it to. In case you guys were wondering, I am using this Lysol antibacterial kitchen spray. I really like these towels. These are my first time using them, and they're almost like a sponge material, but I don't know. I don't really know like the material of it, but they're really good for wiping down things, and I love that they're washable, and you could just keep reusing it over and over, and it comes with multiple, as you guys could see when I first showed you guys the package. But yeah, I really like it, and I think these are so much better than just using the sponges, which is what I usually would clean with. If you guys want a dish soap that smells amazing, this Crate and Barrel one, if you guys can like pause the video, you can see the name of it, but it smells so good, and it's a refillable size, so it's huge. And I just pour some of it into the other bottle that I was currently using, just so it's like smaller, and I could just keep it on my sink right there. But yeah, if you guys really want something that smells really good, check out Crate and Barrel's dish soap. Smells so good. All right, you guys, so this is pretty much coming down to the end, and I'm so happy we are finally finished with the kitchen for now. This was just the morning part, so as we all know, start cooking, making lunch, all of that good stuff. It piles back up. But yeah, this is pretty much what I do when I come down in the morning. I take the dishes out the dishwasher, put dishes in the dishwasher, wash dishes, put dishes away, and it's on repeat. Like, it doesn't stop. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, or if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you guys subscribe. I'll probably get to showing you guys the garden that I have and like my chickens if you guys want to see more of that stuff. But yeah, thank you guys so much for cleaning up with me in my kitchen today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.